How are you?
Hi,
Hi.
I'm fine, thank you. It's been some time since I've been here. I
Really?
kind of, I kind of remember that you have a robot party after it ends, or something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I always, just log into Let's Make Robots, and I read over there. Oh, thank you for participating to my robot party. I'm like, damn, where was I? Hi, Andrew. How are you doing?
Hey, Gabriel, good to see you. You doing well?
Long time no see.
I
Have you
know.
been busy?
Been very busy.
Yeah.
Mostly with not with robot stuff, but busy.
Yeah. Cool. So I got my first batch of the boards for my micro biped robot.
Cool.
Let me try to show it.
Neat.
So this is the profile.
Oh, right. I remember the
Um,
post on that one.
yeah, but now I got some boards. Now the boards are blue and they're pretty dark, and I don't really like it. So I'm gonna order red boards next, since I have some mistakes on these boards. Yeah. um, but other than that, I really like the concept of the robot. It's very uh, expandable. I mean, you can add arms, you can add a pan tilt head, because there are still four servo connectors left. And if you add, so you can add two servos, for each arm, for instance. Then remove the head like that. And instead of the little contacts, you see for the head, you can plug in another board. Put a sensor on top, a servo, for a pan, and then another one for tilt, and make the connections right there on that board. So you can have like two, four, eight, 10 servos, something like that, and you can run them at the same time, and everything runs from a single triple A size lithium ion battery, and I think it's 600, yeah, 600 milliamps.
Cool.
Wow.
And the board has a built-in USB charger, so as soon as I plug the USB cable, the LED will show that it's charging. Right now it's not charging because I already charged it. So the LED turns off when the battery doesn't need any more charge. Also, the batteries are protected for overcharge or for over discharge. They have a little chip in them. So they're a little bit more expensive, but this way they're safe for kids. They can't do anything, to blow them up or something like that.
What are
Which is
those
good.
batteries exactly?
Yeah. So I guess I'm still waiting for some parts to be able to have like 10 kits, and then I'm gonna start, taking pictures, assembling them, and write the documentation, write some more code, show the robots dancing and stuff like that. Because right now I just have the code for walking around. Yeah.
Cool. Well, you should get some boards in red and some in blue, and then you can have like teams or two
Yeah.
opponents or
Yeah.
something.
Yeah, that should
Nice.
be a good idea. Exactly. About that, I was thinking, to have a few bots like this, to do that soccer
Right.
game, through internet where people can control one robot and play a game of soccer. That would be cool. I really love that idea, and I was sad that they didn't work with Oddbot's mini bipeds.
Yeah.
So, but these micro bipeds, you can really control them very well. So it should work with these.
Cool.
They can kick the ball. I tried it, so it's pretty cool. I use the sensor to receive remote control, infrared, like a TV infrared remote control, and I control the robot to kick a ball, and yeah, it works. So we could have a soccer game pretty soon.
Cool.
That's really cool. So what?
Yeah, you should. I should send you one of these so you can put your robot bird on top of it. Add some legs to your robot bird. You could have all the servos, for flapping the wings and open up the beak, and the LEDs are RGB LEDs, so you can,
A
So,
2D
yeah.
RoboBird would be cool.
Uh-huh.
So what exactly is the type of battery?
Oh, the battery, it's a lithium-ion battery. Let me try to get it out from there. Of course, with my nail, I can't. The size is triple A. They have double A sizes, but triple A fitted much nicer. This one is ultra fire, but actually this one is not protected. There is another one that I'm getting. It's called I forgot what it's called, but it's still with fire at the end, and that one is protected for over discharge. This one is protected only for overcharge.
Is it trust fire?
Trust fire, yes.
So the protected one is trust fire. The unprotected
Yeah,
one is
exactly.
ultra fire because it'll make a really big fire.
Yeah. Ultra fire, exactly. But I added a voltage sensor on the robot just in case, so I can monitor the voltage for the battery. Yeah, and I also set what's it called, the watchdog, to auto reset the controller if the voltage gets below 2.7 volts. So at when the servo starts, if there is a voltage drop, then the microcontroller will auto reset and it's gonna beep again. Then you'll know that even without a voltage monitor, you'll know that there is something wrong with the battery. It's not enough voltage,
Cool.
so you can put it to charge immediately.
Jax from the chat asks if you're using any sort of boost converter to get higher voltages.
Now I'm using a regular Arduino microcontroller, which was programmed to work at 8 megahertz, and it works on 3.3 volts. So it's a low voltage. Actually, to program it, I have to select from the Arduino IDE Arduino Nano.
Oh, okay. Cool.
Yeah, I'm working on 8 volts. 3.3 volts, 8 megahertz.
Cool.